Hey, this is Jakash and you're watching Technology the Killer. So guys, in today's video series, I am going to tell you about the program of C program which is multiply using addition. So how we can write a code of multiplication by using the additions. So guys, before starting this, if you are new in my channel and still you have not subscribed it, so first of all subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest update from my YouTube channel. So let's begin it. So now I'm in our Visual Studio Code. So I will create here a file of multiplications by additions and .c. So let me zoom out something. Yes, now it is visible to you. Now we'll write our program has include stdio.h int main, then we'll go in the next line in the semicolon curly braces. We'll use here data type int and we'll declare here variable int a comma b comma I comma multiplication is equal 0. Now we will ask to the user that enter the value of a and b. Now we'll go to the next line and we'll read this value. For reading this value I will use scanf %d, and because I have asked for two variables, so there will be %d as to address of a comma address of b. Now we will use the conditions of if the value of b is less than 0, then in the semicolon we will write here a is equal a plus b and b is equal a minus b, and again in the a we'll write here a minus b, and we'll out from the curly braces and we'll check the next condition, which is if a is greater than and it's equal a is equal 0, and inside the curly braces we will use for loop now. Then for I is equal 1 and I is less than a comma I plus plus, and now we will store in multiplications plus is equal b, and we'll out from the curly braces, and now we'll check one more condition, which is if a is less than 0, then we'll print here right here we'll use loop for I is equal a and I is less than equal minus 1 and I plus plus, and now inside this loop we'll write here multiplications minus is equal b, and in the outside of the loop we'll use printf statement, which is multiplication is equal %d. It will print the after calculations of all the code, so it will give me the final value multiplication. Now I'm going to save it and I will run it. So as you can see here that now my program has been successfully compiled, and it has been done, and it is asking me to the value enter your first value two value. So I'm going to type here enter your two value 920. So you can see that multiplications of 180. So in this way you can write C in using C language multiplications of additions. So how was my video? If you like the video, so please thumbs up and do a valuable comment, and don't forget to share and subscribe my channel, and this code is given in the description, you can get from there.